More often, when we deal with different logos dimensions like this, we get frustrating with two things. First, with responsiveness. The other thing, when they have description text here, so we want the text to be in the bottom, but we want to center the logos. Let's see how we can deal with this. First, here's our HTML. We have our partner section, and we have heading of this section. We have partners grid. Told 4 partners. Each partner have a partner logo container. This is the container of partner logo. Partner logo. We add the partner logos images width and height in HTML as attributes just to show you the best practices here. And we have the partner name to be in the bottom of the logos. You might wondering why we need to use partner logo container. I'll explain this shortly. Now we can move to CSS. We'll start by adjusting the padding and margin to 0 and defining our colors for the body background and the headings. We give our section some padding top, and we give our HTML heading some typography stylings. Cool. And we give our partners grid some width and max width. We can summarize these two properties with max width in the main method. We center it with margin auto, and we use display grid to create 4 equal columns for the partners. We are using grid instead of text here because later we'll adjust it to 2 columns on mobile device. First, I'd like to start with adding some stylings to partner name text. And here is our trick. We use a partner logo container to give it a fixed height and center our logos. And for responsiveness, we add max width 100% to each logo. You might wondering why we should use max width instead of just using width. As you see here, when we use the width, the logo starts taking its container width from the beginning. But we don't need that. We want to take the width of its container just when the width of its container becomes smaller than it. At this point, for example, you can watch logo 2 here. So it starts from its width, and when its container becomes smaller than it, it starts take its container width. And of course, the partner logo container take its width from the partner div. I believe that here in 600 pixels we need to make it just 2 columns. Right, that's it. See you in the next video.